Hello everyone, welcome back. After the update of iOS beta version, if your iPhone battery health shows service, we need to do the following step if you don't have any hardware issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Sometimes it's happened because of the beta profile. So what we have to do, we have to go to settings, then tap on general. Here we have to tap on VPN and device management. Now check the list, is there is any beta profile installed in your iPhone, then remove the beta profile and go back, tap on software update and update your iPhone to a stable iOS version. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then launch settings again, back to general and tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Now here we have to put the iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. After that, we have to do one more thing. Force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. Then maybe you have a hardware issue, then you need to be replace the iPhone battery immediately. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.